Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the IAT sensor, we're talking about intake air temperature sensor, fuses relays are located on Mercedes GLC, that generation here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools and diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the IAT sensor, intake air temperature sensor, guys, we'll be working multiple fuse boxes. Make sure you stay until the end. Oh, by the way, guys, do not buy a new one until you test your IAT sensor, because, okay, it could be actually working, it could be something else triggering that as well. If you want to see how to test IAT, intake air temperature sensor, we'll have the video on the channel, check it out. What we guys need to do, we'll be working multiple fuse boxes. First, we need to open the passenger door. And here, guys, in the passenger side footwell compartment, here you have a fuse box under that cover, guys. If you open it, it will look like this one. Before we, guys, continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So, guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Guys, here we'll need to check only one fuse, but then we need to go to different fuse boxes and check a few more, so make sure you stay until the end. And what we need to check here, fuse 350. This is engine management fuse that you will, guys, need to check. We are not done. We need to, guys, first come and open the hood. Under the hood, on the driver's side, right here, when you remove that cover, underneath you have another fuse box. Let us show you what it looks like. Okay, here we have that layout here. Now, that fuse box, guys, here we'll need to be checking a few more fuses. We're talking about fuse 122, right here, check that fuse, and 126 over here. Also, you may need to check relay, guys, relay J, right here, and relay G, that's relay G, and relay J. Relay J is hidden, guys. It will be right here. Here you have two relays, J and O. J will be one white relay under that cover integrated relay right there. Now, we're, guys, still not done. Under the hood on the left side where the positive jump starter terminal is, okay, if you remove that cover, this is actually a pre-fuse box. That's what it looks like. This is the back side, guys, of that pre-fuse box. And here, okay, depending on the year and model, you have two different kinds. Now, I want to show you guys here something. When you open it, it will look something similar to this one here. So, guys, depending on the engine model and configuration, you have two different okay, two different options here. This is one of them, okay. And here you will guys need to check fuse number 3. We're talking about this fuse right here. But since you're already here, check all of them because, okay, it could be any of that, okay, causing that problem. Now, we have one more diagram, okay, I want to show you, okay, where the other one is, and we're talking about this one right here. In that case, you need to check fuse number 5. All of these guys, fuses will need to be checked, but we have a few more in the trunk. Come to show you right here now. And where that one is, okay, when you open the trunk, leave the cargo cover up, underneath you see that flap, open it, and you'll find another fuse box. Here you may have 2 more fuses. We're talking about fuse number 442, this fuse right here, and you need to check fuse number 451. This one here. All these fuses, guys, will need to be checked if you have problems with that sensor. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.